Hi friends, today I am here for you with a question from issue of share, means accounting per share, capital class 12. This is the board question the late 2013. Rajat invite application for issuing 50,000 equity share of rupees 10 each and the amount was payable as follows. On application 3 rupees, on allotment 5 rupees and the balance on first and final. Means out of 3 rupees, 10 rupees, 3 rupees and 5 rupees, and then after balance means 2 rupees. Application for 70,000 share were received. Allotment was made all pro rata basis. Excess money application received on application adjust towards some due on allotment. Ramesh, who had applied for 700 shares, did not pay allotment money, and his failure to pay the allotment money, his share was forfeited. Means excess money which is received on application should be adjusted towards allotment, and a shareholder whose name is Ramesh, he applied for 700 share and did not pay allotment money. His share was forfeited by the company's director. Now afterward first call was made, इसके बाद फर्स्ट कॉल मेड किया गया, और other who had been allotted 500 share did not pay the first and final call. His share also forfeited. Out of forfeited share, 900 share were reissued at rupees 8 per fully paid up. The reissue include all the share of Ramesh. So Nishay, first of all, according to question, we have to pass the journal entries. So here, bank account, debit to equity share application account. Here 70,000 we have received into 3 rupees per share, 2 lakh 10,000, 2 lakh 10,000. Then after transfer entry we have to pass share application account debit to equity share capital. What amount we have to pass? Issued is 50,000 issued and application received for 70,000. So 50,000 into 3, 50,000 into 3, we have to send here 150, transfer amount 150. But in application account we are received 2 lakh 10,000. So to equity share allotment account debit. Apartment to 60,000. We have to transfer. Then we have to due the allotment. Share allotment account debit to share capital, and what amount we have to due? On 50,000 we have to ask for 5 rupees. So 2 lakh 50,000 there due. Then we have to receive bank account debit to what amount we have to receive. It says that on a holder which name is Ramesh did not who is applied for 700 share did not pay the amount. Then we have to calculate number of share allotted to Ramesh. So number of share allotted. So total category, total number of share allotted to total pro rata number share allotted 50,000, and total number of share applied 70. Number of share applied by Ramesh 7. So here 500 share allotted to. So Ramesh paid excess on application because he given 700 application and company allotted to him only 500. It means 200 share excess, and on 200 we have excess application money on 200 share rupees 3, it means 600 rupees. And the allotment access application 6, the amount due on allotment on Ramesh, so 500 share allotted to him and 5 rupees allotment money means 2500 we have to receive, less the amount access on application 600, so 1900 he did not pay on application allotment. So on allotment we can see that we have to, out of 250, 60,000 already received, we have to receive only 190. Out of 190, 1900 rupees not received by from Ramesh, so it is called in area, we have to debit, and here 188 we are receiving. In question it says that his share were forfeited. When we are forfeited his share, the share capital account debit to share capital account debit to share forfeited account and to share what amount we are not received, share allotment account, share allotment. On 500 share we are asking for 8 rupees, it means here 500 into 8, 4,000, and we are receive on we are calling area is 19, so we are receive 2100 rupees. It is also 700 into 3 rupees, so 21. Then after we have to make first call, equity share, first and final call account debit to equity share capital. Now out of 50,000 share we forfeit 500 share, so here 49,500 share we have to, and from 2 rupees. I think you know that we are forfeited 500 share, so here 0 0 0 1 9 99. Now 99,000 we have to receive, and bank account debit, when we are going to receive bank account debit to equity share first and final call account, what amount we have to receive? It says that one shareholder whose name is other allotted to him 500 share did not pay the first and final call money. Then on 70,000 here 50 into 5, we are going to calculate what the number of share applied by such applicant. So here I think no need, but I am explaining you, this is the method. So on 500 allotted is given, allotted because his application money, access application if given, his access application money addressed already in allotment. So here only 500 share, on 500 share 2 rupees we are not receiving, means 1000 we are not received, here 98,000 and 98,000. Now in this question says that his share also forfeited and his of share of other. So share capital account debit to share forfeited account and to call in area. On 500 we are asking about the full amount means 10, so here 5,000 and share forfeit account call in area. On 500 share he did not make first call means 2,000, so 1,000 and 4,000 we are forfeited on such share. Then then we are reissue such share at the rate of 8 rupees fully paid up. So bank account debit to equity share capital, and the amount we have to transfer on share capital 900 shares. In question says that 900 shares were reissued at 8 rupees fully paid up. So here 10 we have to 9,000, but we receive from 900 into 8, 7,200. So 1,800 we are discounted. So it should be debit from debit to share forfeited account. 18. And what the balance we have get in our share forfeited? On 500 we transfer, means his full share. So on 500 we are already forfeit 21, and on this 500 we forfeit 4,000. So on 400 share only include. So we have to find out on 400 share what amount we are forfeited. So what amount we are forfeited? Look here, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 800. It means 3,200 rupees we are forfeited on 400 share. Total balance in share forfeit account is 353. Out of this 1,800 we are adjusted. So 0, 0, 5 and 4 minus 1, 35. This amount we have to transfer in our share forfeited account debit to capital reserve account from amount 3,500. I am choosing this question because it is a board question, and in this one trick is there. Not full share were reissued, only the full share of one person, one shareholder, and the part of second shareholders include, means total on 900 share we forfeited here, on 400, on 500. So this is amount of capital reserve. So you have to try these types of question. It may ask in your examination as 3 marks.